for change, we ask for help, we beg. Society wants justice for only blue-eyed and pale-skinned community, no offense, but my human rights faded before it even has formed.
Bills and laws are being passed that I have no say in. A world ahead of its time, knocked back decades without a thought about who you are really affecting.
I went through states of mind unspoken, the silence that filled my dark room every night unbroken.
Thick concentrate of depression that soaked through my skin and threatened to take my life at any given moment, just for a moment.
Do you remember when you were younger? How the world came in 1,000 different colors and Riverscape Park was King's Island.
This has got to be one of the most inspiring days of the year for me because these students, the way that they think, it's wise beyond their years. Watching them be super courageous and sharing their emotions, putting it into narrative and then performing it. It's a skill that I do not have, but I do work with other poets and setting it to music. So the next generation of writers and screenwriters and poets and public speakers, they're here. And they're doing really well.
It is absolutely incredible to watch these children tell their stories and be so vulnerable in front of each other, and to watch them support each other and really care for how each other performed and how they were viewed, and to cheer each other on. That is absolutely what's needed in our schools all across the country. So I hope that this is something that is infectious to other states and other cities, because it's really, really needed.
It's a great way for kids to really talk about what they value in their own lives and put language to the issues that impact them, whether it's racism or economic situations, broken families, joy, happiness, anything they're feeling. And it's a great way to engage them in writing.
I was so proud. There were so many of them that were super nervous, and watching them go up there and perform and take control and feel liberated was an amazing thing to see.
It gives a lot of our students who don't see themselves as creative a really creative outlet, and a lot of them get up here for the very first time and they don't know they had it in them. So I really love seeing that.